Hey everyone! Are you looking to remove unwanted objects or people from your Snapchat snaps? Snapchat's Magic Eraser tool can help you with that. Stay tuned, and I'll guide you through the process step by step. Let's get started. Open Snapchat. Capture or upload the snap you want to edit. I'll take a picture of two objects for demonstration. After capturing or uploading, tap on the icon that looks like an eraser. This eraser represents the Magic Eraser tool. On the slider, you can choose the size of the eraser. After selecting the size, use your finger to swipe over the entire object you want to remove. The more precise you are, the better the results will be. Here's how my image looks after removing the sticky tape. The effectiveness of the Magic Eraser tool depends on the image itself. For some images, you'll get excellent results with no noticeable traces, while for others, the results may not be as good. I'll try this feature on another image and repeat the process. What do you think? I'd give it a transitional rating. And you? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe to our channel and become part of the digital family.